Hey Sue, it's Jason. It was lovely speaking with you this morning, and thank you for clicking on this video. We're going to talk briefly about 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them. So, what's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who an expert is and who's not. So I found by making these attack plans and sending them to you for free, um, you can use the information if you would like, or if you would like some help, you can reach out and I can help you. I'd love to talk to you about that. So without further ado, what we're going to talk about today is content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, looking at your website, it's a beautiful website. This is an awesome little logo here. This picture is beautiful, showing the generations. It's laid out nice and neat. It's very pleasing to the eye. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based on how well your site looks. They rank you based mostly on content. And what content is all the words and pictures and clickables on this front page. Okay? So, for example, you guys have around 300, 350 words of content here. All right? Uh, the average front page on Google has around 1,900 words of content. Okay, so the reason why content is so important because it allows Google to put the customer in front of whatever website is going to answer their question the best, and generally that's usually one with the most words. Okay, and so if we look at our competition here, here's number one for organic searchings for Virginia Beach Plumbing. It's Atomic Plumbing. They have 5,000 words of content on their front page. Okay, astronomical. All right, they're doing it well. Their site's awesome. And I'm not expecting you to try to keep up with these guys because they're just blowing it out of the water. But if you look at the next highest competitor, Roto-Rooter Virginia Beach, they have around 950 to 1,000 words of content on the front page. So if you guys were to add anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your page, you'd blow these guys out of the water, be sitting in that second spot on the front page. Okay? And so that's what we want to do. We want you to get more content. Content will allow for more incorporation of keywords that people are searching for as well. Okay? So after that, you want to make yourself trustworthy. All right. So Google judges you based on how many other websites are linking to you, and so you want to have relevant sites that have a lot of power, like other plumbing sites, to be linking to you. Okay, and if you have someone like Pizza Hut saying how awesome of a plumber you are, that doesn't have as much power because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So what we can do here is we can go into this handy dandy little tool I call Ahrefs that helps me out and looking at what's going on in the backside of websites. Okay, and this is you guys at Large Plumbing, and you guys right now have 44 websites linking back to you, and they're linking back an astronomical 13.1 thousand backlinks. Okay, but it's only bringing you 264 people every month, which is only equating to about $685 in value. All right. So you have a lot of backlinks, but the backlinks aren't quality. That many backlinks coming from this few domains means there's a lot of spam in there. So we're going to want to clean that up. If we want to look at Atomic, again, they have 152 referring and 620 backlinks. This is a good balance, okay? And look at the traffic that you're driving and the value that you're driving every month from that. So that's a beautiful thing. But if you feel like you can't compete with Atomic because they're crazy, wild out there. Here again is Roto-Rooter Virginia Beach, um, and they have 496 backlinks from 32 domains. Okay, but look at the value that it's bringing in for. Okay, so we need to grab the quality backlinks that say Atomic or Roto-Rooter have, and clean up the spam that you guys have, and that'll help rank you up higher. Okay. So the last thing, when someone types in Virginia Beach plumber or plumber Virginia Beach, okay, they are ready to buy. They call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that plumber. Those are the easiest customers to close. So people skip these ads mostly because they're weary of ads, or they have an ad blocker, or they have a bad experience in the past with ads. I don't click on ads at all myself. So the sweet spot here is what we call Google My Business or Map Pack, and that's these guys right here, this top three. Okay, and so how you get here is you have your name, address, and phone number in as many different directories on the web as possible. And directories are like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, all those ones you've already heard of. And so what you're going to want to do is get in here and look at A1 Sewer Draining and Mr. Rooter and Tony and Son and see what directories they're in, and then just simply add your address, name, and phone number to those directories. And so what they'll allow you to do is to rank up here where people are generally clicking and finding their next plumber for Virginia Beach. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Okay, I hope it was informative. And as a quick recap, we're going to get your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. You're going to want to have another 180 websites referring to you, and you're going to want to put your name, address, phone number, and more directories than your competitors. If you want to do this all yourself, please do this. It's free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. But please, if you would like, give me some feedback on this presentation. And if you want to help doing with this, give me a call. My phone number here, 757-354-2802. There's my email. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.